Hey, if you had a quick situation where you have to urgently deliver a presentation or put together a few slides for your board or your colleagues or a friend or an investment meeting, and you don't have the time, there's a very quick way to do this, and you probably already know. And I'm just going to use two apps, and I'm going to show you in 2 minutes or 3 minutes how completely unprepared I am, and still I'm able to put together something. This is functional stuff. You have to still make sure that whatever you're doing is the second level of editing and check you need to do before you go live. But here is something that you can really put together in about 3 minutes, maybe less. Let me show you how it works. I'm going to share a screen here, and I'm going to go to Chrome. And in Chrome, I'm just going to quickly go to, let me see if I can go to Bard GPT here. Okay, so I'm just going to go to Bard. I'm just going to reset chat here. And I'm showing you how this prompt, I need to put together a 10 slide PPT, 10 slider comparing Reliance Geo with Airtel. Please include financials, market data as best as possible. Give the style of an investment banker and include financials in INR and USD. Let's see how that shows up. It's working, as you can see. Interesting. Let us see. Okay. So 10 slider. Okay, it's got the numbers, but it doesn't have a PPT format. Can you now put it in the form and structure for a power or a PPT presentation in 10 slides with a proper flow? Let's see what it does now. Okay, slide 1, slide 2, blah, 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 all of that. Okay, can you now put those, add those, I'll say, can you now add those financials into the 10 slide PPT you just created? Because I want those financial data into this. Let's see if it can do that. And if it should be, yeah, it's got it. Slide 3 has got market cap. Slide 4 has got revenue. Slide 5. Okay, I'm not saying this is 100% accurate, guys, but at least we got something workable. And again, this is not brand new. This is already a few weeks old. I don't mean the data. I mean these tools, as you know. But I just wanted to put this together here to show you something. Now, to actually get these onto an actual slide that you can present, you need images. So for images, I'm just going to go to one more app called gamma.app. Okay. Let's just go to gamma.app. I'm going to go with new blank. No, I will not. I will go with new with AI, and I will go to text to deck. And here, what I will do is I'll go back to that Bard latest data we used. We got it here, right? So I'm just going to go to this one, and I'm going to copy this all the way down to the latest, including the sources. And I'm going back to Gamma app, and I'm going to paste this here. And I'm going to tell him to generate a deck of slides from this. Got it? Okay, so let's go to generate. And I'm going to pick a theme. Let's pick default black theme. And let's do continue. Let's see how it looks. Okay, there you go. It's got all the slides building up. If you can see it now, it's got market cap, Geo, Airtel with the logos and the actual numbers, EBITDA, EBITDA margin, net profit for Geo, for Airtel, comparisons, 5G subs, and 4G subs, ARPU, conclusion of both. Okay, now like what you create, of course, I like what I created. And what I want to do is I want to just show you this present. Okay, switch to presentation view. If you go to presentation view, it actually now starts off the actual slides. These are the actual slides, guys. 4G subs. And okay, it's actually, I think my speed is down a little bit maybe. But this is the actual slides. And the whole thing was made in about a minute and a half. Do you see that? This slide one has even got my name. Last edited it 1 minute ago. Get a detailed comparison between India's two leading telecom giants and discover which one to invest in. I did not even tell them all this, right? Reliance for Geo versus Airtel, a 10 slider comparison. And here, introduction. Look, it's picking up and making sense out of itself and actually putting it. It's okay. It's giving it both in INR and trillion INR and billion USD, trillion INR and billion USD, 1.22 trillion. It looks like it's accurate, but of course I may have to go back and do one more check because I'm not sure what sources it's picked. It's picked some I saw Economic Times and so on. So there you have it. 5G subs, some of it may not be accurate, guys, I'll tell you, because I don't think some of these numbers may be accurate, but of course it depends on, well, this is a quick demo to show what is possible with the current state of still evolving AI tools. Almost all of them are free. And I've not even used ChatGPT today. I've used Bard because, as you know, ChatGPT is not internet connected at 3.5 version. And so it will not give you the latest data anyway. But Bard is,